Top 3 ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Check it. There's a lot of things out there to do in order to make money online when it comes to affiliate marketing. But I'm going to tell you what works for me. What works for me may not work for you or for somebody else. But you want to definitely try a few things of your own, get creative with whatever I tell you, and put your own spin on it. However, I can almost guarantee, I can't promise or guarantee because some of you guys out there are lazy, but I can almost guarantee you that if you put these 3 things into practice, you give yourself a super solid chance of making some pretty decent money online when it comes with affiliate marketing. How do I know? I've made the money. So let's dive right into it. Number 1, YouTube marketing. Some may call this video marketing. Regardless, you're using YouTube and you're doing marketing. So YouTube marketing. This is something I've recently jumped into. This isn't something that I've always been doing, but I've definitely seen a good amount of success in this, and I can definitely see the potential as I continue to get better and better at it. Disclaimer, I'm definitely not an expert. This isn't something I always do. However, like I told you guys previously, this is something I'm really getting into because I can see the huge potential in it. Recently, if you look at some of my other videos, you will see my progress in my view count. I recently had a video that got up to about 3,000, close to 3,500 views right now. At the time when I made it, I wasn't expecting that much, and that's because I had made previous videos over a couple of years. If you check out my YouTube channel, you can see all the corny little videos that I made, and then all of a sudden you will see this particular video, which is in my blog. You can go check it out, but it's called PicMonkey is no longer free or something like that. But at this time, I took it seriously to really study and figure out how to make money off of YouTube. This is SEO, this is keywords, this is whatever it is it takes to rank a video. I wanted to figure out how to do it, and to my surprise, I figured it out, and it's very, very simple. So now I'm always ranking on page 1. It's very simple. It actually surprises me how easy it is to rank on YouTube on page 1. And if you rank on page 1, what does that mean? I wanted to figure out, how do people actually make money with this? How do they get hundreds and thousands of views? And in return, people go to their affiliate link to go purchase that product. I got real results, massive results, to my surprise. So now I made my video, I ranked, I got views, and the result of that was that I made some affiliate sales. Point blank, plain and simple. It is that easy, guys. Now, do I like to be in front of the camera? Not really. But because your video is on YouTube forever, at least for right now it is, as long as your video is up on YouTube forever and it's gaining traction as time goes along, that's free views. If you have your link up on your website or your link on your video, that means people are going by checking out your stuff all the time. Some of the best videos to create in order for high views is tutorials, blog reviews, how-tos. So that's what I encourage you to do. Find something that you have a lot of expertise in, or find a how-to, create a tutorial on something and make that video. And hopefully after you've done your research, you rank your video so that you can get more higher views and sell your affiliate products. Method number 2. This has become to be one of my favorite methods, and that method is creating a blog and then promoting that blog on social media. Now, it's not 2 separate things. This goes hand in hand. That's why I made them that way. Having a blog also works for you so easy, just like the YouTube videos. If you're posting up content and people are finding you from Google and all these other type of search engines, all of a sudden they hit your website and they see all this content that you've provided. You build trust with them. They're excited. They feel like they know who you are. Then within your blog posts, you have all of these affiliate links trickled within your blog posts. Simple. So simple. These things are working for you in your sleep, and that's what you want. When it comes to passive income, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't want to just simply throw your money at something all the time and hope that it works, or you want to test it. If you want to throw money at something, hopefully you fine-tuned it so that it can actually generate some income so that you can pay for however much you put in and then some. But in this case, I'm talking passive income when it comes to affiliate marketing. Emancipation occupation. I'm trying to help you free you from your job. I'm trying to help people make money and go on vacation so that they don't have to work at the same time. That's what a blog does for you. It's like a wheel that's working for you, even though the machine's cut off. Imagine that. How does that happen? I don't know. Emancipation occupation, baby. Emancipation occupation, baby. So where does social media come into play with this? I'm not just simply talking about Facebook and Twitter and things of that nature, but you know, utilize other blog platforms. You have Tumblr, you have, I think it's Blog Me, something like that, or even blog.com. There's a lot of these other websites that host blogs that can work for you. But what I really want to touch on was Pinterest. Pinterest, yes. Some of you may never want to use Pinterest. Pinterest is not for every single business and niche out there. I understand that. However, if you're going to have a blog, you need to have Pinterest. Why do you need to have Pinterest if you have a blog? Because every single person, I'm sorry, not every single person, I almost lied to you. The average person on Pinterest who is posting stuff has a household income of at least $50,000. You're not just attracting people who don't have money. You're not attracting people who are not willing to spend money on something. These are individuals who are shopping. If you're on Pinterest, you're looking to do something, right? You're not just on YouTube to learn how to do projects and spend money on stuff. YouTube is because things are funny, or you're looking at the highlights of last night's basketball game or football game, or you're looking at somebody talk trash, or maybe you're just watching the Kardashians or the Braxtons or something. You're paying YouTube Red fees, which I'm not, but I don't mind waiting 5 seconds just to skip a video, by the way. I'm off that horse. But people on Pinterest are going there for a reason. Attract those individuals. Tons of bloggers are on Pinterest, and it is for a very specific reason, and it's because it helps generate traffic. Free traffic equals more money for you. Again, one of the things that I have expertise in is doing free traffic. Free traffic does not beat paid traffic, but free traffic is fantastic traffic. Method number 3. Method number 3 is my favorite, Fiverr. Fiverr.com. I will never stop talking about Fiverr.com as long as they exist, because Fiverr provides a phenomenal platform for a lot of people who have not ever made any money online. And for those who have already made money online, you're able to utilize Fiverr to be such a powerful engine for you, because not only do they get in the door by paying something that costs $5, but now all of a sudden you have their contact information and you can feed them affiliate products through the back door. But with Fiverr, it's phenomenal because they do marketing for you. You don't have to worry about trying to drive traffic to your gig. You don't have to worry about trying to make your stuff look all fancy schmancy and come up with copywriting. Now, of course, those things are involved with your gig, but it won't make or break your gig. This is the easiest way to make money online, guys. I am not kidding. And if you become the smallest amount of successful on Fiverr, you're easily talking minimum $100 a month. So easy, very simple. 50 to 100 bucks a month is a piece of cake, piece of cheesecake, a piece of red velvet cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory cheesecake. But those are my 3 methods, guys. Please go and implement them. Don't sit here and tell me that they don't work, because I've been doing them for quite some time, and I've really been sticking my nose in these 3 methods for about the past 6 months to a year. I'm really enjoying it. I'm getting paychecks. I'm checking my affiliate back office for like my affiliate networks and like ShareSell. I'm learning a lot about ShareSell. I didn't realize ShareSell was that deep when it comes to the products being offered, but if I didn't have a blog, I wouldn't know that. So go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Support me as I come out with new content. I want you to check it out, because I want you to make money. I want you to go on this journey with me. I want you to go beyond what I do. Hopefully you can actually teach me some new methods, because I don't know everything. Neither do I want to know everything. I'd love to work with individuals. If you got any questions or comments, shoot me a message below. Please make sure that it's something positive. Don't just come out your mouth and say something reckless. I may delete your comment. I don't know. We'll see. But I hope you have a good day. Top 3 ways of making money with affiliate marketing. You guys can do it. I promise. Whether you're a newbie or you're a struggling internet marketer, affiliate marketer, go out there, put this stuff to action and make some money. Boom.